To factory reset your Android phone is pretty simple. First, have to navigate to your settings gear, which is located here, and then on this interface proceed to scroll down until you locate system and tap on it. Under systems, we have a tons of options. Make sure to tap on the reset option, and with the reset option you have a series of options here where you can reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, or you can even reset app preference, but in this case we want a factory reset, so we're going to tap on this, and after that your phone will take some time to reboot and everything will be sorted out. In your case, if you haven't located your reset options on the system, all you have to do is to navigate back, and on the settings search engine make sure to type reset and then hit on enter, and this will redirect you to the interface where you have the reset options there. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. As you can see, mine has already popped up with reset option, so I'm going to tap on it and it will redirect me back to this interface. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.